Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the cell chemistry and charger compatibility. This prevents damage and unsafe charging. Once done, inspect terminals and clean corrosion with a cloth or isopropyl alcohol so you have a solid connection. Then, ensure ambient temperature is within the battery's safe range because cold slows charging and heat accelerates degradation. Plug the properly sized charger with the correct polarity, set the charger mode if available, and begin charging immediately to follow the safe, intended workflow. You now manage the charge using the correct rate and monitoring tools. This controls stress on the cells. If the battery supports it, choose a C/10 or manufacturer-recommended current for longevity. Once charging, watch voltage and temperature to detect anomalies. Use a smart charger that applies tapering or delta-V termination for Ni-MH and voltage cutoff for Li-ion and for multi-cell packs. Make sure to balance charge so each cell reaches the same voltage to avoid weak cells causing failure. You complete the process by stopping at the recommended cutoff and letting the battery cool to room temperature before using or storing it. Once done, store at roughly 40 to 60% charge in a cool, dry place to minimize capacity loss over time. Make sure to label date and condition for future checks. If things go wrong and the battery won't accept charge, first verify the charger and connectors, then measure individual cell voltages. One low cell usually indicates the pack needs replacement or professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.